totally populist maneuvers, essentially. Whether it's an isolated event in terms of his stance in relation to Hong Kong, or just if you look at his general roadmap, any opportunity he has to saber rattle, make some noise, complain, moan and groan, that's what he's basically going to be doing. This is a very parallel matter to what is going to be going on behind the scenes, because in essence, economically, and in the end, China and the US will probably come to some kind of arrangement. It's an outlier that they won't do so. So whether this matter is something that he can actually use as genuine leverage is probably, in economic terms, minor compared to the tariff wars that they've been fighting on and off with each other for quite some time, and with the use of Huawei, 5G, and all sorts of other politicized items. These are probably higher on the agenda and more, and probably more akin to leverage than, I suppose, this matter to do with Hong Kong.
Johnny, when you look at the asset market reaction to this, Matt was just flagging that we're now seeing US equity futures start to pare back on this.
Yep.
At the same time, trade throughout Asia today has been mostly subdued. How do you think this is going to impact the positive momentum that we've been seeing with regards to the US China trade talks? Is this going to be a significant derailment of that momentum?
I don't really think so. And if you look at the equity percentage movement, I mean, on an index of 24,000 and the futures are down, I think quoted around 80 points down. That's a nice round figure, but in percentage terms and in materiality terms, actually it's insignificant. So I don't think the market is actually factoring this in as a material indicator of what might change in terms of the China and US trade talks. They may still have their emotional ups and downs, but I don't think today's news, as certainly borne out by the US futures market on Globex, doesn't seem to be panic stations by any stretch.
Hey everybody, it's Hadley Gamble from our new CNBC Middle East Bureau in Abu Dhabi. Thanks for stopping by. Now to watch more, you can try one of the videos that just popped up on your screen. And don't forget to subscribe.